we finally got the parts for my fitting right in here on the oil tank's been leaking. So I got a new rubber grommet and a new, what do you want to call that? We're gonna take it apart. There's a bolt here, and
A rubber strap.
just the rubber strap that looks like it'll slide down. Now we're hoping I can just kind of tip it to keep as much oil in as possible, because I have not purchased more oil for this sled yet. That's the plan, and we'll see how it goes.
Should be able to save at least half of it.
I would think so.
Let me get a drain pan under there just in case. Yeah, that'll work.
That's just redneck shit at its finest. Oh, there's a nut on it.
Let's do this. Hold up. Take that out.
Yeah, I guess we can do that.
It should just pop off. Never mind.
Not really. We can stay there for what it's worth. Just put the nut on so I don't lose it.
That's one.
This one's already loose.
See if you can pull that line off first.
Right here?
Yes.
It's still on there. I don't know. Do you think I want this off?
I don't think so.
Never fucking it up too badly, hopefully.
I'm gonna fuck anything up.
It is pulling something.
That bottom bolt.
It is loose. There's that strap.
Rubber strap. Slide. Oh, look, bottom bolt.
Yeah, I can't quite.
This little Stanley tool set. Good for just about what we need, anyways. It's got a nut on the back.
That's what I'm worried about. And there ain't no getting in there.
That's a quitter's attitude right there.
Oh, we got it. Right here.
Now we should be able to slide that a little bit and tip it.
And hopefully leave that like that. Alright, here we go. Just a carpenter, so I'm gonna let the mechanic do this. Just gonna pull that little clamp there.
That clamp is busted. That's exactly why it's leaking.
Okay. Tuck that up in there. Now we got. Oh,
unplug that right there.
Oh. There we go. This is all free now.
Let me grab some paper towel to wipe that so we don't get any dirt.
Keep it nice and clean. Not sure if there was a problem here with the grommet, but I got a new one anyway. After taking it apart, it looks like just the hose clamp that was on it is kind of old and fucked up, but we're gonna put a new hose clamp on anyway just to make sure. Wipe that up so we don't get any shit down in my oil.
That guy runs his trailer over the curb there.
Yeah, that guy could not drive.
Every day.
Alright. Nice and clean now. Gonna make sure I rewash all in here too, just to make sure I know if it's still leaking later. Hopefully not. I'll wipe down in there after. Where's that? Gonna worry about trying to get this off right now. This is all my new parts in here.
So all I'm doing here,
Probably a better way to do this, but this is what we got right now.
no,
Anyway.
all I'm doing here is separating the rubber. Because when rubber sits on anything for a while, it sticks. Now, a hose pick here would be ideal. But all I'm doing is stretching this rubber out a little bit. Now, we should be able to have this.
Pull that right up now. It looks like it's slowly coming.
This more.
Should be all the exact same, got right off the Polaris website.
Oh yeah. So now it should just slide out.
Come right out and we'll replace this. Oh, well, we got that anyway.
Yeah, it is dirty in there actually. It's grungy and grimy.
Hopefully. Maybe I should just drain it completely anyway.
No. Just a seat problem. Actually, look there, there's a little bit of grime in there. You see that?
Yeah, a little bit of shit down there. I don't really like that. I don't know, who knows if that's in there from a while or if we just did that. Alright, so we decided just to dump it in here. I think I'm going to clean it out and I'm going to put some nice new oil in. I just don't like that dirt or grease, whatever that was in there. I've been doing a lot of riding this year, don't feel like risking it. This drain pan was just last night's dessert, but that's okay. It's all cleaned up. Cleaned it all out. Hopefully we got pretty well. Ended up just, I'm gonna go and get another jug and we're just gonna throw this stuff out. I don't want to play with that after just taking it all apart. So now we're gonna put the grommet back in. Put a little bit of oil on it just to lube it up to go in nice. There goes that. There we go. Now that's in nice.
All we did, oh, kind of missed it on camera there, but we took a Q-tip and loosened up all the dirt in there. And then we just dumped it out, a little bit of brake clean, washed it out, made sure everything was dried out, and then we replaced the grommet.
We're back now with fresh oil.
Put your finger over the hole.
Well, why don't we hook it up first?
No, I don't want the air in there. Oh yeah, pull that clamp off. Just slide
take
it right
this
over there.
shitty clamp off. That we think was the problem anyway.
Yeah, it's good to replace these parts.
Can't pull it off. This, I'm just gonna see you later. Put a nice new one on.
Okay. We want to see that air come out. See that air?
Yeah. Did it come out or no? No, it did not. Stupid prick. It's brake clean actually.
Oh, battery.
Can you get this fucking air out of here yet?
Yeah, there you go, I got it out.
Nice.
All I did there was I pulled it out, let the oil spray into the hose and push the air out. I dripped it all over the place.
But that's alright.
Hold the tank. Oh yeah, you slid it up already?
Yeah. Right up the front and it's straight up.
This
Just
way.
gonna crimp that nice and tight.
Grab it. And give her a pinch.
Nice little pinch there. Hopefully it's on there
That's
nice and
fucking
tight.
Done, buddy. Let me grab a rag and we'll clean all the oil off.
Now we're just gonna clean it again just so we know if it's still leaking or not. Hopefully not. Nice.
When we build it, we can just set up a tripod and just time lapse the whole thing and post a video on that.
Building the new sled
Building
shed.
the ultimate sled shed, because that's what it's going to be.
That's what's gonna be happening at Mitch's house. Tree fell on it the other day. Not good, not
Right on
good.
top of the
Not my fault, not my
2023
problem.
backcountry.
Yeah, some stuff fell on the new sled. All is well, it's in the trailer now.
There you go.
Wait, let's put the lid on this before we get more shit inside of it.
That's your fucking problem.
Well, where'd you put the lid?
I don't know.
Literally,
On
though,
top.
where did you put it?
It's right on top.
You can probably slowly just put these bolts in.
Where are my cameras?
Lefty tighty, righty loosey.
Okay. Before you tighten everything up,
So
slide.
I just don't know if it's even in the hole yet. Couldn't quite no, it's not. Yeah, can't find the hole.
So here, wait. Put the strap on so you
Oh,
know
it's got to come up.
Hold up.
There you go. Hold that there. I got her. Could finally see the hole now.
Put this in.
There we go, strap's hooked up.
There, now go.
Now I got the hole there. There we go.
And now you can ratchet the top in.
Wherever the fucking ratchet went now.
It's right there.
No, it's not. It's a different one, isn't it? Just snug these up. Where'd that 10mm wrench go? 'Cause there's a nut in the back. It's just plastic. You just want to just snug it up. Don't go too tight.
And that's your oil leak rectified.
Hopefully.